Hi everyone, and welcome to today's sewing tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a lace kimono. Let's get started. Begin by cutting your fabric according to the pattern. Accuracy is key here, so take your time to ensure all pieces are cut correctly. Clip the fabric according to the pattern markings, which will guide you as you assemble the kimono. Align the shoulder seams and serge them together. Once joined, press the seam flat for a clean finish. Serge the sleeve to the armhole and repeat for the other sleeve. Then serge down the sides of the kimono, continuing from the sleeve hem to the side seam. Repeat on the other side. And press all the seams. Align the front panel pieces with the front opening of the kimono. Double fold the ends and serge to attach them securely. Repeat this process for both sides. For the hem, serge to attach the hem piece. Press the seams to make sure everything lies flat. Press the hem seam. Double fold the ends of the front panels and secure them with a straight stitch. Repeat the step on the other side. Align your brand label on the kimono and straight stitch to secure it. And that's it! This project is easy and perfect for those looking to create a comfortable and timeless piece. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sewing projects. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing!